These are the VITURE Luma Pro XR glasses, a pair of smart glasses that are amazing for gaming, watching movies and TV shows, and even keeping you productive. Let's unbox them together. Inside of the box, you will find the case for the glasses themselves, and all of the info you need not only to set them up digitally, but physically as well. This is the part that I skipped, so pay attention here. It comes with all these different sized nose pads, but the ones that were already installed, I was like, oh, they feel comfortable. Turns out the nose pads aren't just for comfort, it's for improving the angle in which you're viewing the virtual display, so definitely try out a couple of the different nose pads and actually read the getting started guide so that you don't waste any time in your setup. The case that comes with them is very sturdy, so this is a good place to keep your VITURE Luma Pros, whether you're traveling or just not using them. They have a bit of a translucent design, so you can kind of look through and see the tech on the inside. There is a camera in the middle there. I don't know if you can see it, but right now it primarily works to support the Spacewalker app, not necessarily for gesture controls. There's a proprietary connection and cable to transfer data between whatever device you plug the glasses into and the glasses themselves. This was a very quick unboxing video. If you want my full in-depth review, I've got a 10-minute version available to tell you everything about how these work and what I think is really great about them. You can find that on my YouTube channel.